Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get money from Instagram, and yeah, let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, if I go into my Instagram settings, I am not eligible for any type of monetization. I can go ahead and go into my business info page. For example, in business tools and controls, I have no way of withdrawing or setting up money since my account is not an eligible account for monetization. Now, the only way that you can get money from Instagram is via their ad payments. If you enable ads on your profile and you get those ads as revenue, then you'll have your money deposited to you, and then you can withdraw it whenever you want. However, once you set up your business info, you need to get it into your business info page, then set up a payout account, and then whenever the money comes in, you will be given that money directly into your account. So as far as I'm aware, there is no need for you to manually withdraw it, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show it to you guys since my profile is not eligible for this, but that's pretty much the process in short. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.